not paying this off. They're not paying the bond debt down like you pay your house down.
No, like it's impossible.
Yep, exactly. So in a few minutes, as we go through this, you'll see just exactly how bad. If this isn't bad enough, wait a few minutes.
Oh, wow. Going to the next one?
Yes, please. So the architecture of non-adjudication is what we had just shown you in that video. So the process is designate an administrative tribunal as the exclusive forum. The administrative tribunal is the ARB panel or the Board of Equalization. Withhold from that tribunal the power to grant constitutional remedies. These are mostly geriatric people who haven't got a clue what they're doing other than they're trying to supplement their income, which they're entitled to. But they're not entitled to be the source and the problem of theft of other people's money. Require exhaustion of that tribunal. Run it up and down the chain through the courts. And then invoke exclusivity to bar judicial review, which is exactly the case now in front of the Supreme Court of the United States. Under such a system, the federal rights remain nominally recognized. Constitution exists of the United States of America. Your problem is you don't get access to the privileges afforded Americans underneath that Constitution, nor do you get access to the Constitution you're afforded where you live in your state. That's what this is doing. It is stripping. It is the map to strip your constitutional rights. In short, if the Supreme Court of Texas were to agree, if the Supreme Court of the United States were to agree with the Supreme Court of Texas, the net result would be to render the Constitution of the United States of America meaningless. As such, no citizen would be able to access the privileges afforded under either state or federal constitutions.
Wow. Wow. That's wild. By the way, Okie Real put understanding the fraud is obviously important. What is the solution? The solution is that Mitch VEXLER is taking this to the Supreme Court. We should be watching what he's doing and doing it in our own county and states and cities. This goes from the top to the bottom.